guys, welcome back to today's video. In today's video I am going to show you lot of makeup items and some perfumes. So yeah, without wasting any more time, let's get started and let's show you all what I have got for you all in this video. Before proceeding further, I would like to just tell you guys that all the items came in different days, so I really can't remember all the prices. So what I'm going to do, I will just give the prices somewhere in the video and I will provide all the links down below so that if you wish, you can just check it out. At first I'm going to show you this eyeshadow palette which is coming from the brand Colorboard, but the fact is that I ordered for the Beauty Glaze eyeshadow palette, but Amazon sent me this one, but I am pretty happy with this too. Now this eyeshadow palette looks like a book, guys. I'm telling you why, because when you open it, it is having like this 4 pages in it. I have seen in many videos, but I never owned this kind of a palette. Now here in this portion you will be getting 15 eyeshadows, and these are all the greens and pastel color is there, one yellow is there. Now I'm going to show you the pigmentation of this palette. I was already swatching it actually. So here, as you can see, it is really super pigmented and you will be getting some pressed glitters also, and it is so creamy. So here it goes. Now this is the next one. By the way, some eyeshadows are being repeated, you know. So here this one is a yellow, but this is a bit oranges, not like this one. So these are all the reds and the oranges that you will be getting. Now let me swatch one color from here also, this one. Okay, so this is how the pigmentation is, and I'm swatching this one also for you guys. So here you go. The shimmers are very highly pigmented and you can definitely build up these colors, you know. And these are all the blues and the purples that you will be getting. Here also you can see the same shade, sorry, that you have seen in the first one. Some eyeshadows are repeated, I told you guys. So here is the thing, and I'm just swatching this sky blue eyeshadow. I love this color, by the way. So you can see the pigmentation, and here is the purples and the violets, and here I will be swatching this pink eyeshadow. Definitely I'll suggest you, if you are someone who loves makeup and who loves colors, you should go for this eyeshadow palette. I'll provide the link down below. You can definitely check it out. Next I got this Blue Heaven eyebrow pencil, and I like this eyebrow pencil. Definitely I'm thinking of making a separate video on it. I have got this in the deep brown shade, as you can see, and it has got a spoolie at the end. I really liked it because it is affordable and it's good for daily wear also. And the next item is this one. This is Swiss Beauty's lip liner set. I really like the packaging. It comes in a tin box like this, and as you open it, sorry, things are falling. So you will be getting like 12 eyeliners, sorry 12 lip liners like this. As you can see, there are like pinks and pinks, reds, and mostly there are pinks and reds and browns. I really liked it because I am someone who actually loves to wear nude lipstick. So yeah, there are a lot of brown lip liners over here, and I really like the pigmentation. I'm going to show you one or two because I can't swatch all the lip liners because the video will become lengthy. If you want me to swatch all the lip liners and make a separate video on it, please comment down below. I will definitely do this. So this is the pigmentation, guys. It is super pigmented. Up next I got this set of 4 eyeshadow brushes. Now I will not say the quality is superb. I have used it, as you can see, but yeah, it is something that is affordable and easy to work with, but I don't think it is very long lasting. So these are like a bit dense, as you can see, and this is the angular brush, and this is the second brush which I'm holding, and these are the brushes, guys. So yeah, you can work with these brushes, but I am not that happy with all the eye makeup brushes, and I'm not that too much into makeup too, so I can just work with this. But if you're someone who is pro in makeup, you might not like these brushes. But by the way, they are affordable. I will provide the link down below, so that you can check it out. Up next, I have got this Swiss Beauty lip glosses. The packaging looks really very classy. I'm liking it, and it is transparent also, so you can see how much product is left inside. I am not someone who really loves lip glosses. I am someone who loves to wear matte lipstick, but sometimes for a change you need something different, so I went for this. It is quite affordable also. You can definitely check this out. Now the next item, Lakme's Absolute Kohl Kajal. I'm someone who just love this Kohl Kajal, and I can't do without this Kohl Kajal. It comes with the smudger at the end, and it is super pigmented, guys. It is super pigmented. It is a bit pricey, but at times you just can't change your favorite, right? Now the next item is, let me close it. Okay, the next item is this Makeup Revolution's Tamix eyeshadow palette. This palette is also very beautiful. This is how it looks like, and these are the eyeshadows that you will be getting in it. It is super pigmented, and it has shimmers also. It has matte eyeshadows also. I just love the color combination. I'm just going to show you some swatches. Where to show you guys now? Yeah, so as you can see, it is super pigmented, and the colors are really so sweet, and you can make different type of eye looks by using this palette. Now I'm going to show you some lipsticks which are super affordable. Everything comes under ₹100. Now the first lipstick is this one. This is from the brand named Inside. They make really super affordable and good quality lipstick. Now I was really swatching this color. This is the color, see. So if your skin tone is on the lighter side, this color will look superb on you, and if your skin tone is like me, you have to just work with it. You have to use a deep lip liner, and then yes, it is going to look good on you too. Now mostly the lipsticks which I have with me are from Inside only. This is again a beautiful shade, a mauvey shade from Inside, and this shade is 19 Dive. This one was this one was Nude Coffee. Okay, this one was Nude Coffee, A2 Nude Coffee, and this one is 19 Dive. Let me show you the swatch. I love this color. It looks good on me. So it is a mauvey color. As you can see, slightly pink is there. So I like this colors, and these lipsticks stays on your lips for a good amount of time. But if you eat something oily, definitely it will slowly come out from your lips, that we all know. Now this one is from Blue Heaven. This is their Elegance Matte Lip Color, and this is in the shade 07. This is also a mauve color. It was written there it is purple, but when I wear it on my skin tone, it looks like a purple color. Now let me show you the swatch over here. Now these two are very similar, as you can see, right? This is slightly on the lighter side. It is slightly, the Inside one is slightly on the deeper side. Okay, up next I have two more lipsticks from Inside. I'm loving their colors. This is shade number 15, Pink Plate. This is something which brings back life on your face. This color is very sweet, so you can see the color. It is going to look good on each and every skin tone. Now the next one is this one. This is 01 Joyful. Let me quickly give you a swatch of it. This is a nude color, and I simply like it. simply love it actually. So this is how it looks like. I just love this color, guys. You just need a deep lip liner and you're good to go. Up next I have some body sprays, and I have one perfume for you guys. Now this is the perfume this is a body spray from Beverly Hills, and I am simply loving this smell. But unfortunately the smell doesn't last more than an hour, but the smell is really good. If you can just keep on applying this, you are going to love this. But yeah, it's a headache. After 1 hour you have to reapply this, but if you ask me about the smell, I am just loving it. Now the next one is a body spray from Miniso. I'm not liking this body spray a lot. It is having a weird smell. I don't know. I have used Miniso's deodorants earlier. I have a video on it where I have spoken about Miniso's perfume. They were affordable and I really like the fragrance, but this one is not actually of my type. Now the next I have this Tormity perfume with me. Now this perfume can be used by men, can be used by women, and the packaging is very good. The fragrance is good. Now this is how the bottle looks like. When there is a video on my channel where I talked about all the Valentine's Day gift, that I have spoken about this, but that time I didn't have it, but I liked it so much I bought it. By the way, it's not that costly also. I think within 300 rupees you will get this perfume. I can't remember the exact price, but definitely you can check out the links. You know, the prices just fluctuate. So by the way, this perfume can be used by men, can be used by women, as I have told you guys. Now this perfume is somewhat on the stronger side. You might like it, you might not like it. It might give you a headache, I can tell you that. If you are someone who loves mild floral or fruity fragrances, then this is not for you. But if you are someone who loves the strong smell, you know, somewhat we get it in the men's deodorant or something like that, I think you can understand me. You are going to like this fragrance. By the way, if you talk about me, at times I like it and at times I feel it is a bit strong. So guys, that was all for today's video and I hope you have enjoyed it. If you have liked this video, please do leave a like and do subscribe to my channel, and see you all in my next video. Until then, stay safe, stay happy, God bless, tata, bye bye.